Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy with popular features. Features also include keyless entry, bucket seats, steering wheel controls, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, take a ride in the 2019 Fit. The Fit was engineered to be useful, efficient, and reliable. But its most important attribute is its innate charm and coolness, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, power steering, cruise control, FWD, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, trip computer. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.